Alright guys, so I got some new fog lights for the Camaro, and what these are the AUTOONE, these are the H11s, is what this Camaro calls out for. This is in the 6000K white temp range. So let's get these out of the box. Here's the manual. Take a look at these. And then I'm going to put them in, and then tonight when it gets dark I'm going to take it down the road and we'll take a look and see how they work. All aluminum housing. They do that to dissipate the heat. So let me get these installed in the Camaro, and then I'll take it down the road. I'll also show you how bright they are. They should be pretty bright because this is a pretty good upgrade from the factory bulbs. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, got the new LEDs in. Let's turn them on. That is bright. And it's not completely dark out either. Anyway, new AUTOONE LED fog lights. Check them out. See ya.